What kind of adapter would you, a technician, install on a desktop computer to, let's say, your client wants to enable a video signal to be recorded from a video recorder to the computer's hard drive? So to do this, it's very simple. You have your desktop computer and you want it to take in a video signal and put it to your computer's hard drive to be stored there. So we would not need a network interface card that has to do with networking, like Ethernet. Then we have a TV tuner card. Is that even I don't even know if that's a real thing. Let me know in the comments if it is, but that would be for TVs. A video adapter would be something like an HDMI, a DVI, DisplayPort, that kind of stuff. And then video capture card. So a video capture card is what you would want to install on a desktop computer to make it enable a video signal to be recorded from the video to a hard drive. Video capture cards used in at-home PCs if you do like streaming, so you can transmit your screen, your signal, all that good stuff. So that would be your answer. A video capture card enables video signal to be recorded from a video recorder to the computer's hard drive.